Sancocho de Gallina. Chicken and vegetable stew. A main dish from Colombia. You will
Serves
need
2.
12 ingredients. Step 1. In 1 cup of chicken stock, simmer scallions, cilantro, and cumin for a few minutes. Set it aside until it is cool, then process it into a smooth, green-colored flavoring element to be added to the
Step
final
2.
soup. In the remaining 1 1/4 quarts of chicken stock, simmer the quartered, skinned chicken breasts. Scum which floats off the chicken breasts as they start to cook may be skimmed off with a ladle and discarded.
Step 3.
The chicken will take about
As
an
the
hour
chicken
to cook. Starts to simmer, add cut up, peeled yucca, and cut up potatoes. You may continue to skim off scum after the yucca and potatoes are in the soup. Step 4. About a half hour from completion time, add cut up plantains. Plantains are more delicate and require less cooking time than other elements of the soup. Step 5. 10 minutes before completion time, add the processed scallion, cilantro, cumin, and the juice from 2 lemons. Step 6. Add roux to bind the soup, stirring to mix it well. Make sure the potatoes and yucca are cooked to softness, and examine a piece of chicken to check for doneness. Step 7. If overcooked, the yucca, potato, and plantain disintegrate, but their rich flavors remain. Add salt and pepper to taste. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.